trying to get some shade because it's way too bright in the sun. So getting on the M715 Jeep again. This is Kaiser Bob. Let me walk you through what we're doing. Haven't seen anything before. This is Kaiser Bob, 1968 Jeep M715 on a 99 Suburban chassis. Drops 7 inches in the rear, 5 inches in the front. And right now what I'm doing is working on the wheel wells and filling that in between the old wheel gap and the new wheel gap. I wanted it tighter on the wheels because I'm not putting massive big fat off-road tires on it. So working on the front, I got the first piece stitched in, got everything clamped out and kind of measured around, trying for 2 inches around. Now I'm going to make a cardboard template and do the back half. Here's my template. Let me get it cut up and worked out, and let's get it welded. Last night, so I couldn't get that finished off, but here it is, kind of preliminarily set in. The welds look terrible. Again, it's welding this Suburban metal to the Jeep metal. I don't know what it is, but all I've got left to do is finish grinding this down, finish this in, and I've got to cut these pieces down so it fits like that too. Finish off the back like the front, like it was from the factory, but getting there. A little bit of damage I got to take care of, but should work just fine. Well, that's it for me on this one. I'm going to go ahead and get the other side done, and then I'm going to start on the rears. Those should be easier. I don't know, maybe not. Got to include the piece that goes up to the bedside, and then the gap's going to get filled in with wood and stuff, but I'll cover that when I get to it. But that's it. Please give a like, comment, share, subscribe, all those good things. Thanks. Bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.